Lesson 6. Compound Predicates. Consider these two sentences. Ted unlocked the door, and Ted opened it slowly. While these sentences are both grammatically correct, the repetition of the subject Ted is a bit awkward and might be considered unsophisticated. An improvement here would be to combine them both into a single sentence, containing a single subject but a compound predicate. That is, a predicate with two distinct verbs, unlocked and opened. Note that the conjunction and joins the two parts of this predicate, each of which contains its own direct object. Additionally, the adverb slowly functions as an adverbial adjunct modifying the verb opened. As another example, this sentence can be split into its subject, that actor, and its predicate. This compound predicate includes two parts connected by the conjunction but. The first part consists of the linking verb is and a subject complement, quite talented. The second comprises the transitive verb requires and a direct object, constant praise. As one more example, here the compound predicate is connected by the correlative conjunction either or. The verb ate connects with a direct object, the donuts, while the verb threw connects with both a direct object, them, and a prepositional phrase, in the garbage, which functions as an adverbial adjunct. As a final example, in this case, the compound predicate includes three verbs, feeds, walks, and cleans, connected by the conjunction and. As usual in a construction containing three or more parts, commas are used as separators after the first and second parts to make the sentence more readable.